Namaste everyone, my name is Aditya Prasad and today I'm going to make a very basic dish which is Spanish omelette, and this dish is from Spain. So the ingredients which authentically they used to use in Spanish omelette they were potato, eggs and very simple olive oil. I like to add some fibers in my recipe. So the ingredients which I'm going to use, there is potato authentically, which used to be in the recipe, eggs, but the catch is I'm going to add capsicum, carrot, beans, and onions for fibers. So there's carbohydrates in potato, fibers in green vegetables, and egg. So now we are going to prepare the ingredients for cooking. So we'll So after I wash the vegetables, I'm going to switch on the Spanish people used to use olive oil, but being an Indian, I'm going to use mustard oil. So we'll close it and allow it to cook. So side by side, what we'll do, we'll it is 4 to 5 minutes now and we'll check whether it's cooked or not. So you can see the potatoes are shallow fried. We'll check one potato. Now it will take another 4 to 5 minutes to cook. You can see most of the potatoes are cooked, but still I want it to be like mashy. I'll cover it for another 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, the vegetables are cooked. So now we'll add it in the eggs, straight into the eggs. Straight into the eggs. And we will mix it. And now we are going to add the seasoning, and we will season our eggs with salt. Now we are going to add this mixture in the pan again. So as we added the mixture into the pan, we'll let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes. That how it's cooking. Yes, the sides are not sticking and it is cooking pretty evenly. So we'll check by moving. Yes, it is cooking really well. So we'll wait another 2 to 3 minutes and then we'll turn it. So now we can see it is cooked and we are going to turn it. So there is a trick in turning it. We'll take a plate, we'll keep it like this and we'll turn it. You can see another half is yet not done. We'll keep it like this and we'll allow it another 5 to 7 minutes to cook. We can see the omelette is done. Spanish omelette is cooked and now it's time to plate it. So switch off the induction and we'll let it keep it like this. Sorry, we'll keep it like this for another 2 minutes and then we'll plate it. Cooked, we can plate it very simply. That we'll take a plate and we'll serve it like this. Very simply serve it like this with any accompaniment with ketchup or anything. But there is another way which I'm going to show you how I will love to plate it. It will be, I'll take a knife and I will slice it. In pieces, in small chunks, so that it becomes easier to eat. So this is the final step. I'm doing it. This is one bite food. Whoever will eat it will enjoy it. They don't have to like take spoon, fork or anything. It is very simple. I'm giving it accompany with tomato ketchup and Spanish omelette. This is the final product.